So when I go to McDonald's, whether it's inside the store or at the drive-thru, I always request mustard packets. And sometimes I'll get them, and sometimes they'll give me the excuse they don't have them. They have them. Gotta have mustard. It's better than ketchup. Blech. And I prefer to go inside the store rather than the drive-thru. There's a reason. If you've ever watched Lethal Weapon, you'll know. So I was at McDonald's recently, and I was using the kiosk to place my order, and I scrolled down and found something, and I thought I would go ahead and try it out and see if they would actually honor the request. So here goes the video. Not only can you add mustard to your order, you can get mayonnaise packets. Let's see, how many can we get? Darn right. Okay, so the real question is, did they actually put packets in here? Yeah, let's see here. What do we got? Mayonnaise, 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 mayonnaise. Mustard, mayonnaise. Mustard. Mustard. Too much stuff in the way. Mayonnaise. That, and I'm trying to fish this out of the bag left-handed. Without spilling any fries. Ah, here's the last of it. Oh, I'm gonna eat that fry. Pepper packet. Yeah, they put plenty of napkins in here. Two pepper packets. So look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mayonnaise, 4 mustard, 2 pepper, as requested. You deserve a break today at McDonald's.